Ever wondered if your favorite charting platform could also be your bank? You know, the one where you spend hours analyzing charts, perfecting strategies, and maybe even pulling out a few hairs in frustration. I'm talking about TradingView. A question we hear surprisingly often is, how do I deposit money directly into TradingView? It's a natural thought. After all, it's where you do all your trading analysis, so why not handle the money side of things right there too? Many of you, especially those new to the world of online trading, might assume that a platform as comprehensive as TradingView, with its real-time data, advanced charting tools, and social trading features, would also have its own integrated brokerage service. You might imagine a simple deposit button, allowing you to fund your account directly and then seamlessly execute trades within the same interface. It makes perfect sense, especially when you consider how many all-in-one financial apps are out there today. But here's where we need to clarify a common misconception. While TradingView is an incredibly powerful platform for analyzing financial markets and planning your trades, it is not, in itself, a brokerage firm. Think of it like this: TradingView is the ultimate mission control center for your trading journey. It provides you with all the screens, data, and tools you need to strategize and monitor your flight. However, it doesn't own the spaceship, nor does it handle the actual launch or landing of your trades. That crucial part, the actual buying and selling of assets, is handled by a separate entity, a brokerage firm. So, to directly answer the question, you don't deposit money to TradingView. Instead, you deposit money to a brokerage account that you then connect to TradingView. TradingView acts as the bridge, allowing you to send your trade orders from its sophisticated interface directly to your chosen broker. This is a crucial distinction that can save you a lot of head-scratching and frustration. The process is quite straightforward once you understand this fundamental separation. First, you'll need to open an account with a reputable online brokerage firm. There are countless options out there, each with its own advantages, disadvantages, fee structures, and supported assets. Do your research, compare services, and choose one that aligns with your trading goals and preferences. Once your brokerage account is set up and verified, you'll then deposit funds directly into that account, following your broker's specific instructions. This usually involves bank transfers, debit/credit card payments, or other electronic methods. Once your brokerage account is funded, you can then seamlessly integrate it with your TradingView platform. TradingView supports connections with a wide range of brokers, allowing you to execute trades directly from your charts. You'll find the option to connect your broker within the TradingView interface, typically under this Trading Panel tab. From there, you'll select your broker, enter your credentials, and you're good to go. Your funds will remain with your chosen broker, but your trading actions will be powered by TradingView's superior analytical capabilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.